Shout out to Gecko, man, for sponsoring today's portion of the video. These shoes that you are about to see here in this video are absolutely amazing. I am going to attest to that for you right now. These shoes can be worn indoor, outdoor, grocery store, shopping, wherever it is you want to wear these shoes, okay? This company is committed to alleviating people's normal foot everyday pains. No worries here. They have the wide insert where your foot will go, deep cupping design. They have they're no slip shoes, so you don't have to worry about sliding and falling down in the shoes. They help with so many other foot problems that you might have. Plantar Fasciitis, I think that's how you say it. Bunions, hammer toes. If you have heel problems, arch problems, these shoes will be perfect for you. And I will tell you this, the sandals I wear almost every day. They feel like you are literally walking on a cloud. Ron and I are going to show you what the shoes look like on our feet. So continue to watch the video. If you have any questions, concerns, please check the link down below in the description bar where all the information will be on how you can get you a pair.
Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you.
Okay, so now that I've shared with you how the shoes came in the box, how the shoes looked on our feet, I want to actually show you the actual shoe in my hand. So I brought one of each, and I actually have on my favorite pair right now as we speak. The shoe construction on this shoe, and this one is mine, of course, because I picked the hot pink. The shoe, unlike any of the other shoes that I have worn, especially since I have that tiny little place that I still haven't gotten fixed on my heel. So if I'm on my feet for a long period of time, that little spot begins to hurt, okay? But the construction of these shoes, first of all, I know you can see the raised arch on this side. This is what the arch of your foot will rest on, and it's just soft. It's just like some type of spongy material, if you will. And that's what they look like on the bottom. But the construction of them is no joke. Lots of breathable room. You have your wide toe base so your toes aren't, crunched up like that in them. Your heel fits snugly down in this little dip right here. So you don't have to worry about your heel sitting on this or this aggravating your heel. Your heel fits just down in there, just like it's supposed to. And it literally feels like you're walking on a freaking cloud. So cute. Can't wait to wear these in the fall. And then the ones that I have on, these are my favorites because I can walk for miles in these shoes, especially with that place on my foot. So I have these ones. These sandals here, they have the one toe in, and they're like patent leather. And then here on the side, they have the little Gecko guy, which I think is so cute. Look at the inside of the shoe, the construction of the shoe, how it's made. You see this? How that's made? That is the pattern and the places, I don't want to sound like a foot doctor, but the places on your feet that hold the most pressure when you're walking. So these shoes are designed to alleviate that pressure in all those pressure points where your foot normally would be. And for me, on my heel, I can't even, the camera's not even going to show you, but the bounce, the cushion and the bounce back on these shoes is everything. Cute, stylish. I'm telling you, if you are a person that has not so good healthy feet, these are the shoes for you. I have so many pairs of shoes, but these right here, I wear these shoes every day because I can walk and walk and walk in them with no problem, and I cannot feel that little place on my foot. I actually had to tell Ron this morning, Ron, I need to do a video. Can you please not wear those shoes to work, please? He's been wearing the heck out of these shoes right here. These are his favorites, okay? He wears them to work now. He's got rid of the other ones that he normally wears. So cute. I don't know. It's something about the naturalness, the stitching on the shoe that gives me everything. And then, of course, the Gecko Man logo on the inside. I'm loving just the texture of them and how they look. Like, they almost remind me of recycled material in a way. It has the little Gecko Man on the tongue right here. He said these are probably one of his most comfortablest pair of shoes. And look at this. All of this right here is where the arch support, where your foot would normally rest in a shoe. This supports the arch of your foot, giving you so much comfort when wearing these shoes. Can go with anything. This is, I think, maybe like a dark gray with white stitching. Yeah, he was gonna wear these to work this morning. I said, I got to film a video, so please let me hold this shoe before you go. Love, love, love. He absolutely loves these shoes. Comfortable on the inside, and I don't even know if you can see on the inside. You see that little raised area right there? That thing is cushiony, soft, like a freaking cotton ball. Again, we're right underneath the ball of your foot. That's where this right here would be on your foot to alleviate that pressure that you would normally get by wearing shoes that say don't have so good of a sole in them. That's what that little ball right there does for you. So cute. Jeans, shorts. He has worn them all sorts of ways. Does not matter. I absolutely love these shoes, and I knew he would when I picked them out. And then I picked him out these. These are very similar to these, except they have no backs on them like the ones that I have. They have no backs. Again, they have the Gecko Man logo on the inside. They have the stretchy sides. They're wide enough on the inside so that your toes aren't like this, especially if you're walking for long periods of time. The worst thing you can have on your feet is a pair of uncomfortable shoes, okay? But with these shoes, I'm just trying to tell you, they are the most comfortable shoes. And again, you see that raised area in there? That supports the underneath arch of your foot so that you're not putting all that pressure on your foot when you're walking. Your foot is resting on this little piece of cotton feeling thing, and it's just so squishy and bouncy. It almost feels like it has gel in it. So soft, but these are so cute, so stylish. These are the only shoes, let me tell you, these are the only shoes that I can get Ron to wear with no socks. He will put these shoes on and wear them with zero socks, and I absolutely love it. Same construction on the shoe, that same material, that same white stitching. I don't know if you can, let me see, do I have I want you to kind of see how the shoe sets up in the front. You see that? You see how the shoe sets up to relax your feet, your toes when they're in the shoe, so that your toes aren't just flat, your foot is flat. Every part of this shoe that is made is specifically for the design of your foot. Your toes rest up, the ball of your heel doesn't have pressure weighing on it. Your arch is sitting on what feels like cotton to me. And then the heel of the shoe is super squishy soft. Super squishy soft. And again, on his heel fit right nicely down into this groove right here. These are some really good made shoes. They really are. They really, really are. Bend, flexible, just perfect. Like, I don't know. The design on these shoes, they nailed it even with the design of the shoe. And again, if you are a person that suffers from many different foot ailments, you cannot, I assure you, you cannot go wrong. Even the pair that's on my feet that I never take off, you cannot go wrong with these shoes. Give it a try. I'm going to leave the link to the shoes down below, how much they cost, all that jazz. I got them fairly quick. I think I ordered them. They came within a few days. And the only actually they would have came earlier than that, but one of the pairs of shoes that I had ordered for him was out of stock, which means a lot of people were buying them. So I ended up having to go with another shoe, so it took a couple extra days, but it wasn't a long wait at all. I'm talking like maybe a week, give or take, before the shoes arrived. Gecko man really did it. And I just love the little Gecko guy. They have him kind of everywhere on the shoe. You kind of see him everywhere. And then on my sandals, he's on the side. And I absolutely love these shoes. Like, I'm telling y'all, I wear these shoes everywhere because they are the only ones that do not hurt that foot. I can bounce around, go around, and then they're stylish and cute on top of that, okay? So, again, if you're interested in any pairs of these shoes, any shoes that are on their site, by the way, make sure you check down in the description bar down below. I will make sure I put it at the very top so that you don't have to surf for it. And you can go straight to the site, see what all they have, see if they have any sales going on. Honey, I don't know. And just check it out. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Look, the shoe says go for a walk. You can definitely go for a walk, and a long walk, in these shoes. I was so thankful. So shout out to Gecko man for sending us those wonderful shoes. And now Ron can wear his shoes to work tomorrow, okay? Because I had to confiscate them today. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Gecko man. Make sure, again, you check down below in the description if you're interested in any pairs of these shoes. See what they have on the site. Holidays are coming. Some of you need to get out and walk, exercise, or whatever the case is. These are the perfect shoes to do that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.